Crickett's Oak Village Pottery at the Open Studio. And if you've never been to the studio, it's quite a really nice place to come and visit. So I do pottery classes for the novice or the professional. We have a really fun night on Fridays from 7 to 9. You can come down and join us. It's a nice little project. We sit and enjoy each other's time and do it together. Hands-on, I do it right along with you. So come on down. I also have a kids class from 12 to 2 on Saturdays, and we do the same thing. I sit and create a project with your kids. It's $25 a project, and you have to come down and enjoy some time. Play with our clay. So thank you.